Hello, I'm Dr. Janice Brown, a dental surgeon injector here in my private clinic in Hillsborough. I'm going to tell you more today about PRP and its use for hair restoration and to support your transplant after you've had your procedure. If you're noticing hair loss or you've recently had a hair transplant, PRP treatment, which stands for platelet-rich plasma, may be something you wish to consider to support your hair loss and reverse it, or to support your hair transplant after surgery. PRP releases natural growth factors slowly over time, which helps support hair follicles longer, encouraging thicker, healthier growth. This treatment is incredibly straightforward. You come into clinic, we take a small sample of your blood, that is then put into a centrifuge, which allows me to then harness your platelets. Your platelets are then re-injected back into your scalp, delivering all the growth factors. I've been using this technique now for over 6 years. In fact, it was also the subject of my thesis for my master's degree in aesthetic medicine, and I was lucky to be awarded a distinction. PRP is a treatment that happens 3 times initially, 1 treatment per month for 3 months, but you do need to maintain your results by having a treatment every 4 to 6 months, depending on your needs. This treatment is suitable for both men and women who have noticed hair thinning or after hair transplant. It's very safe and effective because it's harnessing your own cells to work harder for you. Not all PRP is exactly the same. There is difference in the technique in which the PRP is harnessed and how it is used. The type of PRP that I use is IPRF. That is also known as injectable platelet-rich fibrin. That means that there's a fibrin network in those cells which holds them in the scalp for longer, releasing their growth factors over a 12-hour period, giving you better results. PRP is a safe and effective treatment that you can use alongside other treatments that you may already have embarked upon, such as hair loss pills or minoxidil topical solution. It may just mean that you have to skip a day or 2 as the scalp recovers. The total treatment appointment time takes around 30 minutes. It's very quick, very discreet, and when you leave the clinic, you really just look like perhaps you have some wet hair or not even at all.